Hi, hi, hi. Hello, everybody. Hello, 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 hello. Good evening. Very good evening. Very, very, very good evening, అందరికి. How are you all? ఎలా ఉన్నారు అందరికి చెప్పండి ఒకసారి. Hi, 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 hi. Am I audible? Am I visible? Hi, hi, hi. Hello, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Good evening. Very good evening. Very, very, very good evening, అందరికి. How are you all? ఎలా ఉన్నారు అందరికి చెప్పండి ఒకసారి. It is causing a lot of disturbance, right? Okay, so I just shut it out. Okay, now we will not have the repetition of our audio, right? Yes, good evening, Ahan. Yeah, Ahan. 3 minutes late, Ray. Hey, Ray, what are you telling, Ray? Does it even matter 3 minutes late? So you want me 1 second, 2 seconds on time, right? Hey, everything clear, Ray? Is my audio video all clear? Chappandi okasari. All clear kada? All clear. Hi Shalini, I'm fine. Okay. Got it. So let us start from the last topic that we left, Ray. Okay, Kinematics 2D is the name of the topic and we will be starting. Okay, so let me just quickly revise you the formulas. It's okay if I revise them. So let us just quickly go and revise all the list of the formulas. Antarvada, let us start. Parimala, very good evening, Parimala. Good. Kerala, very good. Kerala Chari, good. Okay, Maitri. Yeah, Ahan, tell me, what's the question? But ask something sensible, okay? Don't ask something out of the context. Chalo. Okay, so I understood now. I asked you. I am from somewhere. I am from somewhere. Okay. Done. Start చేద్దాం అందరికి చెప్పండి ఒకసారి. Okay, so let me just quickly revise you the list of the formulas. Okay, we'll just quickly go through the formulas whatever discussed. Recap. Okay, what was the recap, sir? Sir, the range of the projectile was sir, the range of the projectile was, hey, చూసుకోండి అందరికి. సో ఇఫ్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద ప్రొజెక్టైల్ ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ రే, నా దగ్గర ఇనిషియల్ స్పీడ్ అంటే యూ, ఇక్కడ యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ప్రొజెక్షన్ ఇస్ థీటారా, చూసుకోండి అందరికి. సో ద ఫస్ట్ ఫార్ములా ఏంటిరా, రేంజ్ గురించి కదా. ఓకే, సో రేంజ్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు యూ స్క్వేర్ సైన్ ఆఫ్ 2 theta డివైడెడ్ బై జీ. రే చాలా సిమ్యులేషన్స్ కూడా చేసిన కదా. నెక్స్ట్ సో లెట్ us talk about the maximum height attained, రే. So maximum height can be given as u square sine square theta divided by 2g. Good sir, good. What about the total time of projection, right? What about the total time of projection? Cheppandi okasari. So total time of projection was given as 2u sine of theta divided by g. So these were the formulas that we discussed in the last class, ante kada. So Ray, to discuss only this much formulas, it took me almost one class time, Ray, under 2 hours time. Okay. Say it. Okay, next. So ఇప్పుడు హారిజంటల్ ప్రొజెక్షన్ గురించి మాట్లాడతాం రే. వాట్ ఈస్ హారిజంటల్ ప్రొజెక్షన్ రా, చెప్పండి అందసారి. వాట్ ఈస్ హారిజంటల్ ప్రొజెక్టైల్? యా వాట్ ఈస్ హారిజంటల్ projectile? So horizontal projectile ante I am going to throw my object from a given height. Let us say the height is h ra. Height is h. So ekkad nunchi we are throwing something like this, exactly in the horizontal direction. Okay, so exactly in the horizontal. ఏమైతదిరా చెప్పు అందరికి చెప్పండి ఒకసారి. So the ball will fall something like this kada. Oh, good, good, very good sir, very good. Ardhamaindi andariki. Not getting done. So now we will talk about horizontal projectile. Ante horizontal projectile ki range, total time, and the speed with which the projectile will be falling on the ground. ఎందుకు వచ్చాడమ్మా గీత క్లాస్ 10th లో? అరే let us focus on this part re. Okay, so let us say it is thrown with a speed u. Okay, the ball is thrown horizontally with a speed u. Okay, yes. So sir, again I will have to break my motion into two different axes ra, x axis, y axis, y axis, y axis, and horizontal motion and vertical motion, ante kada. Yes, so horizontal lo maatladalante sir there is only a speed u, ante kada. Other than this speed u there is no force, no acceleration, no change in the speed. Hey, ardham cheskondi andariki. So now the horizontal speed is only u re. So that means sir at each and every time the horizontal speed of the projectile is gonna be the same re. Hey. Ante u. What u re? Speed. Okay, good. Okay. What about vertical ray? Vertical direction lo cheppandi. So vertical lo, if this is the mass ray, so that means there will be gravity, ante kada. So acceleration will be g ray. Oh, so vertical lo acceleration unnadi kada. So that means speed will increase in vertical direction. Ante what are you telling ray? What are you telling ray? Okay. So vertical there is an acceleration g ray. A g valla the speed of the object increases in the vertical direction. Cheppandi. So that means ray, I am getting confused ray. You stop doing all these things. Okay, I am getting confused. Okay. Yes, Geeta, absolutely, for sure, 100%. Okay, so that means the speed will increase in the vertical direction. Right, cheppora. We talked about kinematics 1D. ఆ చాప్టర్ లో నేను ఒక ఫార్ములా చెప్పండి అందరికి. సో ఇఫ్ దిస్ ఇస్ హైట్ h రే, హౌ మచ్ టైమ్ విల్ ఇట్ టేక్ టు ఫాల్ డౌన్ రా? చెప్పండి. t is equals to, ఎవరికి గుర్తుందారా? Do you remember this? Do you remember this formula? The formula states time is equals to root of 2h divided by g. Very elementary formula, very basic formula. Okay, yes, exactly, yes, the flappo vibes. Very good question, Adgu. Anyone there ante what? Okay, what about speed ray? Sir, speed is equals to root of 2 into g into h, where h is the total height of projectile, ante kada. So I am only talking about vertical ray. Hey, I am talking about vertical ante the speed with which it will hit the ground. Vertical లో final speed గురించి మాట్లాడాలంటే it is equals to root of 2gh రా. ఎక్కడ కూడా the same process రే, same process. Only difference is that there is this horizontal speed u. Okay, due to this horizontal speed ఏమైతుంది అంటే it will just get dragged అంతే. It will not have any cause in time of motion. It will not create any problem with the vertical speed with which the ball is falling రా. చూసుకోండి. So if this is my ball ray, ఈ ఇన్స్టెంట్ లో చెప్పండి హారిజంటల్ స్పీడ్ అంటే u అంతే కదా. వాట్ అబౌట్ వర్టికల్ స్పీడ్ రే? వర్టికల్ స్పీడ్ సార్, వర్టికల్ స్పీడ్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు రూట్ ఆఫ్ 2 into g into h. టైం గురించి చెప్పురా. సో టోటల్ టైం దట్ ఇట్ టేక్స్ t is equals to root of 2h divided by g సార్. సో ఇదేనా టైం, ఇదేనా హారిజంటల్ స్పీడ్. అంటే whatever time it is requiring to fall down, in that same time it is also moving in the horizontal. Ante kada? So that means distance is equals to speed into time. Which speed re? M speed ra? Root 2gh or u re? It is a horizontal re. So horizontal unnappudu you will take the horizontal speed. Ante kada? So it is going to be u into, substitute the value of time ra. Chappu root of 2 into h divided by g. Ante kada? So idena range of horizontal projectile is u into root 2h divided by g. Point number 1 re. Point number 1. Point number 2. I will again quickly revise all the formulas, okay? Mottam formulas chudam ra. So let us imagine it is the building of height h. Ekkad nunchi I am throwing a ball with horizontal speed u re. It is falling somewhere here re. It is falling somewhere here. And this range is equals to u into root of 2 into h divided by g. Point number 1. Ardhamaindi kada? Point number 1. What is the time it takes to fall down re? Cheppo. So total time to fall down is equals to root of cheppandi andariki 2h by g ante kada? Yes. Endukante the displacement is happening in the vertical direction and the acceleration is also in the vertical direction. So displacement acceleration formula unnappudu this is the time that you get. Are you understanding? Last ray. Good evening Spandana. Good evening. Good evening Darkan. Very good evening. Cheppandi. And in the last, when you talk about the total speed ray, total speed of falling v is equals to root of vx whole square plus vy whole square. V ante final speed ray when it is just falling down on the ground. Cheppandi andariki vx ki value entira u only. Endukante there is no force, no acceleration in the horizontal ante the horizontal speed will be remaining equal to u re. Hey, chooskondira. U all the times, all the times. Ekkada kuda the final horizontal speed is u only. Final vertical speed ra cheppu andariki. Sir, v is equals to speed with which the object will fall down. Ante kada? What angle re? ఇప్పుడు angle గురించి చెప్పండి. Oh sir, are you going crazy sir? Are you asking only the questions only sir? How can you tell about the angle? Yes, you can tell about the angle re. Chuskondi. So if you are throwing the ball something like this re, hey, see all of you, you just observe it, okay? If this is my total speed re, if this is my total speed v, it has components. Yes, it has. So sir, horizontal component, vertical component, horizontal component is u only. No force in the horizontal, no acceleration in the horizontal. Ante kada? Hey, what about vertical re? What about vertical? Vertical low acceleration unnappudu kada. So what you can say, sir, v is equals to root of 2 into g into h. Hey, teeskondira ide figure ni teesi you zoom it and you observe it. Cheskondi. So I can simply say, sir, this is my final speed v. Ide na horizontal speed u ante kada. And this is my vertical speed root of 2gh. Cheppandi andariki. So ee angle ni theta piluste, what do you get the value of tan theta ra? Tan theta. You shift this vector, shift over there. Cheppandi andariki. So this becomes root of 2 into g into h. After shifting. Cheppandi. So I can simply say, sir, tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side, sir. Opposite side is root 2gh and adjacent side is u. Ante kada? So theta is equals to tan inverse of root of 2gh divided by u. Ante kada? So this is the angle with which the ball will fall on the ground re. Is it lagging re? Cheppandi andariki. It's not lagging kada? Yes, not lagging. Dishita, it's not lagging, no? Good. Next, let us see about a question. Time of flight aindi kada? Hey, mottam completed re. Hey, cheppandi, time of flight is equals to root of 2 into h divided by g. Next, range of the projectile. Range is equals to u into t ante kada? So that means u into root of 2h divided by g. Finished re. Hey, teeskondi ee question ni. So there is this question ra. Okay sir, okay. Oi. Done. No, sir. Okay. Oh. Hey. Top of a height. Eh? Top of a tower of height 500 ray. H is equals to 500 meters. Okay, got it. Now it's telling me to find the time taken to hit the ground and also the speed with which it will hit the ground. And it's given that the speed of the ball is 10 meters per second. So from here, you can simply say that, what can you say? All of you. So you can simply say that this ball will fall somewhere here. And when it's talking about time taken, we do have a simple formula, right? We do have a simple formula. Good. Parimala, good. Very good. So what can we say? Cheppandi. Sir, time is equals to root of 2h by g. Hey, 2h by g. Ante root of 2 into h is 500 divided by g is 10 kada. So 0 gone root of 100 root of 100 is 10 seconds. So it will only take 10 seconds to fall down. Point number 1. Good. So now let's talk about the speed. Speed. So speed will be v is equals to root 2gh, right? 2gh, root 2gh. So that means root of 2 into value of g is 10 into height is 500, right? So it becomes 10,000 hey, root of 10,000 root of 10,000 ante 100 meters per second. Ante kada. So this is my final answer ఒకసారి కన్ఫర్మ్ చేసుకోండి. 100 meters per second is the speed with which the ball will fall down. Are you saying something, Maitri? Okay. Good. So 100 is wrong answer. Not 100. It's a vertical speed. It's a vertical speed. Ante when it is falling down, it has two different speeds. First is vertical speed and second is horizontal speed. Chuskondi. This vertical speed value ante root 10,000 ante 100 the horizontal speed is also there kada. So 10 is also there. So net speed is equals to root of 100 squared plus 10 squared. Hey, I hope you are understanding. So root of 100 square is 10,000 plus 10 square is 100. Hey, what should I write? 10,000 plus 100 enta cheppandi andariki. 10,000 plus 100 entara? 10,000 plus 100 enta. How should I write? Tell me in digits. 10100. How should I write? Hey, 10,000 plus 100 is how much? How much? We don't know, sir. We don't know, sir. Why are you asking us, sir? Chap. Sir, what is the value of 10,000 plus 100? Hey, maaku teliyadu, sir. Don't ask. Why are you asking us? So, it is equals to root of 100. Nothing is fixed for you guys, okay? You might even do some mistakes also. You might even not know about it also. So, you simply say 10 into root of 1001. Okay? 1001? 1001? Yes, 1001. So, this is the speed at which the ball will fall on the ground. Good. Ippudu let us talk about relative velocity. Deedlo ma daggara rendu cases unnayira. The first is the rain umbrella and the second one is river boat concept. Chuskondi, it is actually not required for you to go into much details. but the application of these things, it is everywhere. The application of relative speed is almost everywhere. And magnetism lo kuda you do have this application in your Newton's laws also. Okay, you do have this application in your gravitation also. Okay, so it's required. So anduge okay, thank you so much Kirlachari, thank you so much. Chalo, good. So that is the reason why I have included good number of questions. I have included good number of questions in this session. Okay. It's okay. Josna, it's okay, no problem. Okay. So relative velocity ante entira. Relative velocity in the sense, chuskondi. If I have a train ray, okay, let us imagine frames of reference ante frames of reference antaru. So that there was this scientist Galileo Galilei. Are you understanding? So he did some high-tech process. Something he did and came on the references of frame of references. Andariki chuskondi. Relative velocity gurinchi maatladutunnavu chuskondi andariki. So let us say this train is actually moving with the speed of 10 meter per second. Ante kada? Yes. Our train lo, I can say on the train, on this train there is this fellow, this idiot. Okay, this idiot is running at the speed of 12 meters per second. Cheppandi. Okay. Chuskondira. So if he is running at 12 meter per second, the train is running at 10 meter per second, we'll take two different scenarios. Okay, two different perspectives. Hey, two different perspectives. So who is there in the chat? Who is there in the chat? Who is there in the chat? The indestructible. I did not even tell you the question and you are telling me the answer directly. Okay. So let us say there is this Jaswant. Hi Jaswant. Hi. So let us say some random person is there. Two different persons. Hey, two different people. First one is sitting in the train. Okay. So let us say he is what should I name him? He is Lakan. Okay. He is Lakan. Okay. Yes. And there is this one more person sitting on the ground. Cheppandi. His name is Gabbar. Gabbar. Okay. Gabbar. Gabbar and Lakan. Cheppandi. So, and let us say the name of this person. This person name. Let us say this person name is Duke. Okay. Duke. So, let us see what can I say speed of Duke with respect to Gabbar. Cheppandi andariki. Ante what does it mean? And this is the train. Okay. So velocity of train or speed of train is equals to 10 meters per second. Cheppandi andariki. So speed of Duke with respect to Gabbar. Gabbar is sitting on this ground. Okay. Gabbar is absolutely sitting on this ground. Cheppandi. So he is having his cigarette shots. Okay. Yes. So Gabbar is having his cigarette shots. Cheppandi. And he is watching Duke. So Duke is running away. Kada? Yes. Duke is actually running away. Duke is running away. Okay. So speed of Duke with respect to Gabbar is what? Is what? Sir, what should I say? What should I say? Not 10, not 10, not 10. It's not 10. Chuskondi. It is not 10. And similarly, Cheppandi. Speed of Duke with respect to Lakan. Hey, with respect to Lakan. And similarly, speed of Lakan with respect to Gabbar re cheppandi. So sir, to calculate speed of Lakan with respect to Gabbar, it's very easy. It's very easy re. It's very easy, okay? It's a very easy process. So you do one thing, sir, it is a formula re, it's a formula, చూసుకోండి. If you want to talk speed of A with respect to B, we take a third person ra, okay? ఒక third person ని తీసి we see everything from his perspective ra, from C's perspective. చూసుకోండి ఎక్కడ, it is C కదా. So we will see everything from C's perspective. అంటే we will calculate the speed of A with respect to C, దాని తర్వాత calculate speed B of with respect to C and subtract చేస్తున్నాం అంతే. సో ఎక్కడ కూడా చెప్పండి the same process రా. సో speed of Lakan with respect to Gabbar is equals to speed of Lakan with respect to ground రే, small g అంటే ground, okay, minus speed of Gabbar with respect to ground. చెప్పండి. సో వెలాసిటీ ఆఫ్ Lakan with respect to ground ఎంతరా, ఎంత చెప్పండి, 10. So that means 10 minus speed of Gabbar with respect to ground re. Hey, Gabbar is sitting on the ground only, he is not moving, ante 0. 10 minus 0 is 10 meters per second. Okay, it was very easy process re, very easy process. Ippudu when we talk about the speed of Duke with respect to Lakan cheppandi. So I can simply say, sir, it is equals to, not like this re, okay, here చూసుకోండి. So speed of Duke with respect to Lakan is equals to speed of Duke minus speed of Lakan, but with respect to what re? With respect to what? With respect to what? With respect to train. With respect to train. Here we are observing train as a third person re. చూసుకోండి. Now tell me about speed of Lakan with respect to train re. Lakan speed is also 10, train speed is also 10, ante speed of Lakan with respect to train becomes 0 kada. Yes, so that becomes 0, and Duke speed with respect to train re, it is with respect to train, not with respect to ground ra. Train is running re, but on the train he is running with the speed of 12 meter per second, okay? Good, very good Jyoshna, very good. So speed of Duke with respect to train is 12. So 12 minus 0 ante 12 meters per second. Ekkada cheppandi. Now this is the third layer ra. So that I can say it is the highest hierarchy at which you could be asked ra. Cheppandi. So speed of Duke with respect to Gabbar ante, let us take third person re. Let us take third person. What is that third person? Train. Good. Train re. So sir, it is equals to speed of Duke with respect to train minus speed of Gabbar with respect to train, ante kada. Speed of Duke with respect to train minus speed of Gabbar with respect to train re. Hey చూసుకోండి రా. Speed of Duke with respect to train ఎంత రా? So this speed of Duke with respect to train is 12 re, 12 minus speed of Gabbar with respect to train cheppandi. Now direction also matters here re. Direction also matters here. ఎందుకంటే speed of train with respect to Gabbar is 10. Are you understanding? Speed of train with respect to Gabbar is 10. What do you think will be speed of Gabbar with respect to 10 re? Minus 10. అంతే కదా. So 12 minus 10 అంటే 22 meters per second. I hope it's audible or understandable రా. చూసుకోండి. ఓకే, తీసుకోండి రా ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ని. Then a car starts from rest, acceleration at 5 meters per second squared. At 4 seconds, a ball is dropped out of the window by a person sitting in the car. What is the velocity and acceleration of the ball at t is equals to 6 seconds. తీసుకోండి, ఒక కార్ ని తీసి draw everything రే, a beautiful car, okay, beautiful car. Okay, so sit in your NEET examination, okay, so you go to your NEET examination hall akkada, and then what you do is you observe the question, you read it. Okay sir, a car is there, so draw a car re, a beautiful car, okay, a beautiful car, something like this, okay, something like this. Are Is it the same car? Yes. Okay, sir. The name of this car is sir Lamborghini, kada? Okay. So let us name this car as Lamborghini. Okay, you do all this. Okay. You do all of this by sitting in your examination hall, and then if you want to introduce some belts also, something like this, some 2-3 windows also. Okay, so this is your beautiful car, and then your exam results will be gone. Okay, gone. Hey, చూసుకోండి రా. Accelerates at 5 meters per second for 4 seconds. Starts from rest. Sir, I have to find the speed of the car first. మొదటిగా speed of the car కావాలిరా, చెప్పండి. So at that time you can simply say v is equals to u plus 80 ante kada. U ante 0, starts from rest, plus acceleration how much re? 5. Oh, 5. Time how much re? 4 seconds. So ante after 4 seconds the speed of the car is coming out as 20 meters per second. Ante kada. What direction re? Which direction? X-axis. Okay? X-axis. Are you understanding? X-axis. So that means the speed of the car is v is equals to 20 meters per second. What next? What next? A ball is dropped. Dropped and telusa, dropped. So there is this person sitting here, and what he did is, this was the ball, he just dropped it. Cheppandi. What is the velocity and acceleration of the ball at t is equals to 6 seconds? Oh, nice. Velocity and acceleration. Cheppandi. Are acceleration gurinchi maatladalante, there is only one acceleration acting on the ball. Hey, gravity re, hey, g under 10 meters per second square. Are you understanding? Are you understanding? Are you understanding? Why, sir? Why, sir? Why, sir? Why 10? Is it telling something about g re? No, it's not telling about something, anything about g, right? Yes. So what can you say re? Hey, chuskondi re, hey, chuskondi, andariki chuskondi. So if the car is accelerating, okay, if the car is accelerating, and the ball is also accelerating, car is also accelerating. As soon as you drop the ball, as soon as you dropped the ball, there is no force in the horizontal. There was a force in the horizontal when the car was moving. Kaani okkasari ball ni drop chesi, there is no force in the horizontal. Ante kada? Yes, good, very good. Josna, very good. Hey, how 20 re? How 20? How 20? Okay. How 20? Horizontal velocity is 20, good. Horizontal velocity is good, very good, very good. Yes, not 6 seconds. Joshna, we will not calculate the vertical velocity at 6 seconds. Endukante 4 seconds, for 4 seconds, the ball was in the car only. Are you understanding? T is equals to 4 seconds, I dropped this ball. And I want it at t is equals to 6 seconds. And how much distance or how much time was the ball traveled the motion rate? Cheppandi. Are you understanding? 4 seconds lo drop chesina. I want it at 6 seconds. How much time is the ball in the air, Ray? How much time is the ball in the air? 2 seconds only. 2 seconds. Understanding? 2 seconds only, Ray. For vertical, the ball is in the air only for 2 seconds. Ante speed gurinchi cheppandi sir, v is equals to u plus 80. It is dropped kada. Drop chesinante initial speed was 0 ra. Good. 0 plus 10 into 2. So 20 meters per second. I actually don't have to see all of these things. I can only see acceleration is 10 here, here. Everything is 0, 5, 0. I can only check the acceleration and take the answer also. And if you just want the speed, choose kondi. This is in the horizontal, this is in the vertical. Cheppandi v net is equals to what is happening? And root of 20 square plus 20 square. Directly writing 20 root 2. Ante kada? Next question. Okay. Speed of a train is 20 I ray. I enter in the right side kada? Yes. What next? Right? Hey, Shah Rukh Khan hey, running on the train at a speed of 25 minus I. Ante Shah Rukh is somewhere here. Okay, Shah Rukh is somewhere here. So this train is running at 20 meter per second in the right track. And here is the Shah Rukh Khan. Okay, he is running in the left track. Left ante 25 minus I cap. Minus I cap is in the left side. Ante kada? Yes. Yes. So he is running in the left side. How much speed? Right? Hey, it is 25 meters per second. Okay. Mahesh Babu is chasing him on the ground. What should be the minimum speed of Mahesh Babu to catch re? Hey, chasing ante enti ra? Chasing ante enti? Following from front or following from back re? What do you mean by chasing re? Following from front or following from back re? Hey, following from back re, hey, చూసుకోండి రా. అంటే Mahesh Babu is here. Hey, are you understanding? Are you understanding? Sir, the train will crash Mahesh Babu. No. He is running on a different track. Train is running on a different track. Okay? Yes, good. Spandana, very good. And what should be his minimum speed? Hey, this is my Mahesh Babu. Okay? What should be the minimum speed to catch him? Right? So they are doing some thumbs up advertisement. Okay? Thumbs up. Taste the thunder. So what should be speed? Right? Cheppo. So sir, to chase him, Mahesh Babu is running on the ground, sir. That means I need to calculate Shah Rukh Khan's speed with respect to ground, sir. Oh, yes. Ante speed of Shah Rukh with respect to ground is equals to speed of Shah Rukh minus speed of Shah Rukh with respect to train minus speed of ground with respect to train. Ante kada? Yeah, are you understanding? Yes. Hey, cheppandi ra. So speed of Shah Rukh with respect to train is how much re? Sir, it's minus 25 meter per second. Hey, minus 25 meter per second. So it's minus 25. Okay, minus speed of ground with respect to train. Cheppandi andariki. Speed of ground with respect to train. Speed of train with respect to ground is how much re? Speed of train with respect to ground is how much? Sir, 20. Speed of train with respect to ground is equals to 20. But speed of ground with respect to train will be minus 20. Are ardhamaindi cheppandi okasari. Are you understanding this? Okay. So it will be minus 20 from here. Okay. So it is minus 25. Minus becomes plus 20. That means minus 5 meters per second. So this is Shah Rukh Khan's speed with respect to ground. Now Mahesh Babu will say, you are running with 25. You waste fellow. You are wasting all of your energy. You are running with 25. But I only have to use 5 meters per second to catch you. Ante kada? Why re? Because Shah Rukh is running on a moving train, and that too train is moving in the opposite direction of Shah Rukh Khan. Understanding? Good. Very good. Aro, very good. So minus 5 meter per second. And the minimum speed should be 5 meter per second towards the left. Next. Okay. Cheppandi. It's a very good question. Okay. Very good question. It's a very good question. So two boys are standing at the ends A and B of a ground where AB is equals to A. Ante this is my point A. Ide na point B ra. So two boys are standing at both the ends. So let us imagine this is my boy 1 B1. This is my boy 2 B2 ra. Chuskondi. And AB is A kada. So take the distance also. సో ఇది డిస్టెన్స్ రా, డిస్టెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ద 2 points is a only రా. చెప్పండి, what is the question says? The boy at B starts running in a direction perpendicular to AB రా. So the boy at B2 starts running perpendicular to AB అంటే either here or either here. Are you understanding? Both sides. You can take whichever you want. Okay, you can take whichever you want. Okay, so I'm taking here. So boy B is running something like this ra. Aim speed re V1. Oh V1 అంటే speed of boy is V1. And the boy at end A starts running simultaneously. Are simultaneously running ante enti ra? Nothing about the direction. Nothing is given about the direction. So what to assume re? Aim assume cheyala cheppandi andariki. So you can say the boy at end A starts running simultaneously with velocity v re. Okay, and catches the other person in time t. Oh, so he is catching ante, let us say the boy went here and the boy A catched him ra. Catched him ante the boy A must run in this direction. Are you understanding? Good. So if this is speed v re, hey, if this is speed v, andariki artham cheskondi. It is a scenario of future ante telusa. We discussed cases of eagle and this rat ray. Eagle was sitting on a tree and rat was running away from the tree. Eagle will not target the current position of that rat. Eagle will target the future position of the rat. Are you understanding? So similarly, the boy also will target the future position of this person B2 ra. I hope you are understanding re. So imagine this is theta ra. Cheppandi. So ippudu, hey, we will have components re. Ante kada? Yes, we will have components. Sir, direction cheppandi. First component is here, the second component is here. Oh, nice. Mari values cheppora. So sir, either theta ante this automatically becomes v into cos theta. Oh, great. Ekkada cheppandi. Sir, it will become v into sin theta. Arey, nice re. Nice. Now remember the very important conclusion. What is the very important conclusion re? Good, Josna, very good. The important conclusion is that the speed of the boy B2 must be equal to the horizontal speed of the boy B1 ante v sin theta. If it is not equal, it will never be possible to catch this boy. Are you understanding? Okay, so this boy B1 should run in such a way that his horizontal speed always matches the guy at the bottom ra. Are you understanding? And he needs to introduce some extra vertical speed to tackle the distance between them. Are you understanding? The guy B1 or the upper position guy, he needs to always run with a horizontal speed that is equal to the below guy. But to catch him, he needs to introduce one extra speed to tackle this distance a ra. Ante kada? And one more twist ra. Malli oka twist untundi, chuskondi. The time at which the guy will cover this distance must be equal to the time at which this distance is also covered. Ante kada? Same distance is ra. Same time. Cheppandi, sir, vertical lo distance re. So distance is equals to speed into time. So you can simply say time is equals to a by v into cos theta. Oh, great. What about horizontal? Cheppandi. Horizontal lo you can simply say, sir, v sin theta ante horizontal speed of the guy must be equals to v1. Ante kada? Okay? Sir, sin theta is equals to v1 by v re. Sin theta is equals to v1 by v. Ante kada? Yes. You left this sin theta re. You remember this sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 re. You remember it. Good. So that means, sir, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Ante cos theta is equals to root of 1 minus sin square theta. They tell, NEET does not ask difficult questions. Chuskondi. This is the example. Okay? This is the example. They tell you NEET does not ask difficult questions. Okay? So from here, lift and shift. Cheppandira. So T is equals to A divided by V into V only na re? V only, yes, V only. 1 minus sin square theta, root of 1 minus sin square theta. Sin square theta re? Sin square theta ante sin theta whole square kada, ante V1 by V whole square. Cheppo, Babu, cheppo. You can simply say, I'll introduce one more slide. Right? V also re. V is also there. So V is also there. Okay. So take the cross multiplication. V square minus V1 square kada. Okay. Divided by V only. V gone re. So ante A divided by the root of V square minus V1 square. Finished. Where is the question? Hey, this is the answer. Okay. Root of V square minus V1 square. Next. So let us talk about the rain umbrella concept. Hey, let us talk about the rain umbrella concept. Ante Chalo. So this is our guy. What should be his name, Ray? What should be his name? Is Jerry. Jerry. Okay. This is our guy. Jerry ra. Hey, Jerry antunnaru. Cheppandi. So Jerry is standing only. He is just standing like an idiot. Okay. Okay. This is the Jerry. He is standing and the rain is falling down. So what will happen, Ray? What will happen, Ray? Cheppo, what will happen? Sir, he will get wet, sir. Okay. Okay. What is the discussion going on in the chat? Okay. So, what if, Ray? What if? Chuskondi. In this scenario where Jerry is just standing, rain is just falling directly on his head. Ante kada? Rain is just falling directly on his head, on his head. Kani second case lo, he is walking, he is walking, ante he has some speed V of Jerry. Okay, VJ. Now rain is falling downwards. Chuskondi. Rain has no problem, rain is just falling down. Kani ippudu Jerry is walking in the forward direction. So emaitadira? So what do you think will happen now? What do you think will happen? Okay. Now Jerry is walking in the forward direction, but the rain is just falling down. So rain will say, hey, I am just falling down. But this Jerry is running. So what is the interface, Ra? What does Jerry observe? So Jerry will see, let us say there is a camera, okay. The best trick to observe the relative motion is to take a camera. And if Jerry has a camera, chuskondi. If Jerry has a camera, what will he see? The camera does not know it is moving. Are you understanding? So let us say, how should I say it? How should I explain? How should I explain? Okay, so let us say I have a camera. Na దగ్గర ఒక camera ఉంటుందిరా. So what I'm doing is, let us say this is the camera. Okay, what I'm doing now is I'm moving this camera close to board. Okay, close to board. Hey, I'm moving this camera close to board, and I'll see the footage. What will I see? What footage will I see? I will see this camera will show me that board is coming close to him. Are you understanding? Hey, even if you take your camera close, but see the footage will show that something is coming towards him. Camera will not accept his own mistake. Are you understanding? Okay, so the second way to visualize is Jerry will say, hey, I did not move. He moved, but he is telling, hey, I did not move. The rain moved towards me. Are you understanding? The same thing. Andariki observe cheskondi. So what does Jerry say? He will simply say, hey, I did not move. This rain, this cloud, it moved towards me. You understanding? Same concept. Same concept. He is moving towards the right, or he is not moving. Rain is moving towards the left. Are you understanding? So this is known as speed of Jerry. Hey, Vj tone it will come to the left, and at the same time it has a vertical speed kada. So velocity of rain and velocity of J. Resultant will be between them. Ante Jerry will feel the rain is hitting him at some angle. Okay. So the rain is hitting him with some angle. Are you understanding? So instead of holding the umbrellas vertically upwards, he must hold it something like this. Are you understanding? To avoid the rain. Okay, to avoid the rain. Next, చూసుకోండి, velocity of rain with respect to man. Hey, it's rain. Velocity of rain with respect to man is equals to velocity of rain with respect to ground. Okay, ground minus velocity of man with respect to ground. Same equation, same. You want to go with mathematical aspect equation in front of you. You want to understand and go. I already told you the process. Are you understanding? Good. So now let us discuss some questions. Not questions. Concept. Numerical example. Chooskondi. I'll give you a numerical example. Okay, let us take an example. So let us say this idiot. Okay, his name is idiot only. So this idiot, it is moving with the speed of 6 meters per second. Are you understanding? So if he is not moving, the rain will fall directly on his head. Are you understanding? So if he is not moving, the rain will fall directly downwards. But if he is moving, rain will again fall vertically downward only. Hey, rain will again fall vertically downward only. Kani, he is moving. This idiot is creating problems. Are you understanding? So this idiot is creating problem, and what he will see, his camera will see, hey, I am not moving. This rain is moving towards me. What speed? Same speed tone, ade same 6 meters per second. Are you understanding? So this speed has shifted to this point, and vertical speed of the rain, let us say 8 meters per second. Ippudu cheppora, what is the net speed of the rain? Sir, net speed is equals to root of Vx whole square plus Vy whole square, ante root of 6 squared plus 8 squared. And directly telling root of 100 is 10 meters per second. Rain is actually falling at 8 meters per second. Chooskondi, ide rain ki absolute speed. But what is the apparent speed of rain? Apparent speed is 10 meters per second for this idiot. Understanding? Next. Okay, let us take the question. Okay, I want you to attempt it first. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Okay, back in 2 minutes. Attempt cheskondi andariki. చెప్పురా. Minutes, Baba. Hey, not 10 minutes, okay? I told only 2-3 minutes, right? And I only took 2-3 minutes, right? Okay. So, sir, a person is walking with a speed of 3i with respect to ground. And idena ground, ra. Arre, idena ground. Let us name this person idiot, re. Why idiot, re? Why idiot? Endukante he creates a mess. He creates a mess. And he blames the cloud, re. He says that, cloud, why are you hitting the angle, why are you hitting the rain on me? Okay. Why are you hitting the rain on me in a cross direction, re? So the rain will hit him something like this. Ante kada. So let us see, re. The rain is falling with a speed of minus 4g ante the speed of the rain is minus 4j cap. Cheppandi. The speed of rain as seen by the man, ra. The speed of rain as seen by the man. Okate formula, re. Okate formula. One single concept is there. You just see that concept. What you do now is, point number 1, step number 1, option number 1, yedaina, you do one thing. Step number 1 that you do is, you see the speed of the person. How much, ra? Yenta? Sir, 3i. Reverse chesko, re. Reverse chesko. It is in the right kada. You remove his speed, reverse it and give it to the rain. Right? Hey, you reverse his speed, remove it and give it to the rain. Ante rain will be appearing, not exact. It is the apparent speed, ra. Apparent speed. So 3i in the negative sign and minus 4j in the negative sign. Ante speed of rain with respect to man will be minus 3i minus 4j. Ante kada. If you want to understand like this, you can understand like this. Later, you apply the formula. Aim formula, sir. Velocity of rain with respect to man is equals to velocity of rain with respect to ground. Hey, bar guda teeskore. Hey, it's also direction. Okay, so velocity of man with respect to ground, ra. Cheppandi. So velocity of rain with respect to man is rain with respect to ground. Hey, rain with respect to ground only falling down, re. Minus 4j. Hey, minus 4j and minus velocity of man with respect to ground. So he is moving towards right with speed 3i kada. Take the same thing, minus 3i. Ante. If you want to go with this way, welcome. If you want to go with that way, welcome, ra. Kani, you write the correct values only, okay? You are doing all this and still coming on the wrong result, re. Hey, you understand it, okay? Understand it. So sir, it should be 3j only, okay? 3i only. So it is coming out as minus 3i minus 4j only, ra. Chuskondi. So velocity of rain with respect to man. Ante kada. Speed of rain, ra. Ante magnitude teeskondi. Cheppora. Magnitude is equals to root of vx square plus vy square. Ante 3 square plus 4 square, directly writing 5 meter per second. Velocity of rain with respect to man, magnitude, re. Hey. You observe, re. Okay? You observe. Good, very good, Joshna, very good. The actual speed of rain is only 4 meter per second in the downwards. Kani, because this idiot is moving, he sees something else, re. He sees something else speed. Are you understanding? Good. Next, the speed of rain observed by the man was 40 meter. Observed by the man, not actual speed. Observed by the man is 41 meter per second. If the man is walking with speed of 40i, the speed of ground, ground with respect to ground, not ground with respect to ground, right? It should be the speed of rain with respect to ground, okay? Okay, it should be the speed of rain with respect to ground. Okay, the speed of rain with respect to ground. I hope it's understandable, ra. Okay, చెప్పండి. So this guy is walking with the speed of how much రే? ఎంత స్పీడ్? 40i అంతే కదా. So it will be 40 times I cap, something like this. He is moving like this రే, he is moving like this. కానీ he is seeing that the speed of rain is 41 meter per second. రే 41 meter per second అంటే ఏంటిరా? So you understand only through this. చూసుకోండి, he is observing కదా. So this 40i will be transferred to the rain only ra. అంటే you reverse it, same process, okay? Or you want to take the formula, you remember the formula. ఏదైనా you calculate however you want re. So formula, what does formula says? Speed of rain with respect to man is equals to speed of rain with respect to ground minus speed of man with respect to ground. అంతే కదా. Bars, velocities చెప్పండి రా. 41 observed by the man 41. Hey 41, I don't know the direction ray, is equals to చెప్పోరా speed of rain with respect to ground. Do you know it? You don't know it. Okay, what is it asking? Rain with respect to ground. Do you know it? You don't know it. Let us call it v bar minus what should I say ray? What should I say? Velocity of man with respect to ground. How much ray? 40i అంటే minus 40i. అంతే కదా. Now you imagine a triangle ra. Hey right angle triangle. This should be the hypotenuse. Ante the observer or the apparent speed should be the hypotenuse. The apparent speed should be the hypotenuse. And minus 40i. Hey, minus 40i. And what about the speed of the rain with respect to ground is v only. Pythagoras theorem ra cheppu. Sir, 41 square is equals to 40 square plus v square. Ante kada. Ikkadi nunchi v is directly equals to 9 meters per second. Ante the speed of rain with respect to ground is 9 meter per second. Or else you want to go with the reverse method, ela kuda cheyochu. Good. Not yeah, root of 81 Josna, root 81 ante 9 meter per second square. Okay, so reverse do it re. Reverse cheskondi ra. It is minus 40i cap plus what gives me the resultant of 41 ray. Hey, 41 is equals to resultant of these two. So 40 square plus v square. Ekkadi nunchi kuda you get the same value as 9. Both the scenarios, same results. Okay. Next. Oh, the rain falls down vertically. With a speed of 60 meter per second with respect to ground. Eppudu he has given me the actual speed of rain ray. So velocity of rain with respect to ground is given to me as 60 meters per second. Point number 1 ra. But a person walking towards right ray. Right. This is the person, this idiot, he is walking towards right ray with the speed of how much ray? I don't know. I don't know v. Kani he sees the rain is coming at 100 meter per second. So వీడి కోసం the rain is coming towards the left side ray. Same process. You want to go with formula. You want to go with understanding. What does understanding say, sir? Sir, step number 1, I don't know the speed, let us call it v ra. Step number 1, what you do? You reverse the direction. Reversed sir. Reverse చేసిన తర్వాత you give the same speed to the rain only. Reverse చేసి rain కి ఇవ్వండి అంతే. సో అంతే కదా. It's gone ray. Now the resultant is 100. ఇదే వాల్యూ అంటే 60 రా. I don't know this. How should I calculate resultant, sir? Perpendicular vector, sir. So 100 should be equals to root of vx square plus vy square ante v square plus 60 square. Directly v is equals to, sir, 80 meters per second. Finished. So that means the speed of this idiot was 80 meter per second. So this is for the field ray. If you want to go with formulas, same process. Cheppandi. Formula tone you also get the same process ra. Cheppo. Velocity of rain with respect to man is equals to velocity of rain with respect to ground minus velocity of man with respect to ground. Ante kada. Vectors ray. Vectors. Rain with respect to man is 100 ra. is equals to rain with respect to ground is 60 ra, 60 into minus j cap plus not plus ray, minus ray, minus velocity of man with respect to ground and v bar. Finished. Understanding? So what should I say, sir? Sir, it's a vector. Sir, it's a vector. Two vectors, sir. Perpendicular vectors, sir. Perpendicular vectors. It is somewhere in the I cap kada? Yes. Perpendicular vectors, sir. Perpendicular ayina tarvata what should we do? We can simply say root of 60 square is plus v square is equals to 100. Ekkad nunchi kuda you get the same results. V is equals to 80 meters per second. Okay, it's a good question actually. Teeskondi. Very good. Joshna, very good, very good, very good. Very good, Joshna Reddy. Rain falling down with a speed of 21 meter per second. Right? Ante actual speed of rain is 21 meter per second, but the wind started blowing towards the right. Right? Hey, there is this wind. There is this wind, okay? This wind is moving towards the right at 12 meter per second. For a person walking with a speed of minus 16 I cap, minus 16 I cap ante enti? Minus 16 I cap ante the person is somewhere here and he is moving towards left with the speed of 16 and it automatically becomes minus I cap. Left side kada? Yes. Yes. So the rain will hit at the speed of what ray? Nagu rain of speed of rain kavalira cheppandi. So due to this wind ray, hey, chuskondi. Due to this wind, rain will get an additional speed of 12 meter per second in the right side. Ante speed of rain becomes chuskondi 12 meter per second extra speed in the right side. Ante kada? He is having 16. It is having 12. Cheppandi relative speed. Ante you can simply say, sir, same process. Reverse. Okay. Reverse chasina tarvata. What to do now, sir? Hey, you give the same speed to the rain ray. You give the same speed. You give the same speed to this rain ray. Okay, same speed ray, same speed. I hope it's visible ray. Okay, you give the same speed. Correct? Okay, you give the same speed to the rain also ra. Cheppandi. So initially it had 12, extra 16 has been added kada. So now the scenario looks something like this. Ante this man is at rest. Hey, it is at rest. But the rain is moving at 28 meter per second in the right side. 12 due to air. 16 due to his own apparent speed. And the downward speed is 21 meters per second. Ante kada. This would be the resultant. Cheppandi. Directly చెప్తున్నారు చూసుకోండి. Resultant becomes root of 21 square plus 28 squared అంటే 35. How did you do, sir? How did you do very quickly, ra? How did you do very quickly, sir? 21 is 7 into 3. 7 into 3. Okay. 28 is 7 into 4. 7 into 4. 3, 4. Pythagoras theorem. 5 అంటే 7 into 5, 35. Next. So direction గురించి మాట్లాడాలిరా. Okay, చూసుకోండిరా. So if you're talking about direction, let us say your velocity of rain, it will fall only downwards kada. So this is your velocity of rain ray. Okay, your velocity of man, he is walking on the right side. Okay, this person, this idiot is walking in the right side with the speed vm ra. So what will he assume? He will say it is not my speed ray. Rain is coming to me at the same speed. So for this person, rain is coming down also and coming to the left also. But what is the speed? Vm. Ante kada. So this is the resultant. V resultant. Cheppora. This angle. So how should he hold umbrella? He wants to get safe from the rain kada. So if it is holding it in the right upper direction, it will not be done. Okay. Good. So where should he hold his umbrella? Exactly in the direction of rain, opposite to the direction of rain. So if rain is coming like this, he should hold his umbrella something like this. Ardham cheskondi indariki. So he is holding his umbrella something like this. Ante if this angle is theta, this angle is also going to be theta. Cheppandi sin theta value or tan theta, edaina you want, you can tell it. Cheppora sin theta or tan theta, right? Tan theta value. Sir, tan theta is equals to opposite side. Theta ki opposite side ra. This is the opposite side. Same vector vm ante vm divided by VR. Are you understanding? So theta is equals to tan inverse of చెప్పండి అందరికి velocity of man with respect to ground divided by velocity of rain with respect to ground. You remember this formula also if you want. Let us move to the problem. Okay, person walking at the speed of 6 meters per second in the right. What angle with the vertical should he hold the umbrella? Rain falls out at 8 meters per second. Directly చూసుకోండి. Theta is equals to tan inverse of velocity of man divided by velocity of rain. అంతే కదా, అంటే tan inverse of what is velocity of man? 6 divided by 8. That means tan inverse of 3 by 4. I know the value, you don't know it. That's why I'm telling you it is 37 degrees. అంతే కదా. So the scenario will look something like this. చూసుకోండి. So ఇదే నా person moving towards right with 6 meters per second. ఇదే నా rain coming down at 8 meters per second. So ఏమైతుంది రే? For him his speed is not there. For him his speed is not there. For him he will say, hey, I don't have any speed. This rain is having an opposite speed of 6 meters per second. Are you understanding? So the resultant is, చెప్పండి, resultant is 37 degree. So he should also hold his umbrella something like this. Same direction ra. If it is 37, this also becomes 37 degree angle. అంతే కదా. Next, car running at the speed of 60√3 finds the rain hitting on the glass at speed of 120 meters per second. Actual speed of car 60 meter. Angle కావాలిరా, చెప్పండి. Again the same thing, sir. Theta is equals to tan inverse of velocity of man by velocity of rain. అంతే కదా. Velocity of man అంటే velocity of car in this scenario. So you can simply say tan inverse of velocity of car 60√3 divided by velocity of rain 60. అంతే కదా. Gone. అంటే tan inverse of √3. I know you don't know. That's why I'm telling you 60 degrees. Hey, theta will be 60 degrees with the vertical. చూసుకోండి. Are you understanding this? Theta will be 60 degree with the vertical. అంతే. Next. Hey, a physics professor is there. Running in rain holds the umbrella at 37 degrees. 37 degrees with the vertical. Good. Very good. Parimala, very good. So sir, this is our physics professor. We will not call him idiot. Hey, he is a professor. Hey, he is a professor. He is not an idiot. Okay, he knows he is moving. He knows he is moving. That is why he is holding his umbrella. Okay, that is why he is holding his umbrella at 37 degree with the vertical. Okay, he is holding his umbrella with 37 degrees with the vertical. Okay, he is running at 10 meters per second. What is the speed of rain? So rain is falling downwards. He knows. Sir, this sir knows about the process. Okay, so he will simply say, oh my god. So if I am running at the speed of, did he give? Yes, 10 meters per second. So he will simply say, hey, I am running with the speed of 10 meters per second. Ante for me, rain is coming towards me with 10 meters per second. So that means remove this speed. Remove this speed. Remove this speed. Remove చేసిన తర్వాత you simply introduce the same opposite speed to the rain. Something like this. చూసుకోండి. So ఇదే నా 10 meters per second కి speed. In the right side. Okay. So 10 meters per second in the right side. చూసుకోండి. And the resultant is making an angle of 37 degree with the horizontal. చూసుకోండి. Vertical. So this is my resultant VR. This is my speed V1. ఇదే నా speed V2. అంతే కదా. So I had to find the speed of rain only రా. చెప్పండి. So speed of rain కావాలంటే, do you know the value of rain speed? No, you don't know. Only you know is this 37 degree angle. So what you do now? You shift this vector in the downward direction. చూసుకోండి. So ఇదే నా 10 meters per second. And this angle is 37. చెప్పండి. Triangle లో tan 37 value చెప్పురా. Sir, tan 37 is opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is 10, adjacent side నాకు తెలియదు. కానీ నాకు tan 37 కి వాల్యూ తెలుసా sir? It is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 sir. 3 by 4 is equals to 10 by x. అంటే it becomes x is equals to 40 by 3. అంటే the speed of actual rain is equals to 40 divided by 3 meter per second. Ante kada, finished. Okay, so let us talk about one more scenario, a riverboat concept. Riverboat concept, good, very good. Parimala, very good. Joshna Reddy, very good. Sure, let us see. So, is it because of this New Year's Eve, Is it because of this New Year's Eve that most of the people are busy in their works? Riverboat concept ante entira. So let us say if you have a river. So idena river, okay? This is blood flowing into the river, red color blood. Whose blood, right? Whose blood? Okay. Yes, Imran, I'm only taking questions only. Not Iman. Okay. So there is this person, river is still under no motion in the river at all. No motion. Okay, no motion. So what's happening? This person will slowly able to swim and move exactly the opposite point. Ante kada? Yes. So what will happen if the river is flowing? If the river is flowing, so choose kondi. So this is the speed of the person in the still river when the river is not moving. VP kada? Yes, VP. So when the river is moving, speed of the river will be also added. It will be also be added. Are you understanding? So if this person wants to reach here, and if it is moving like this, he will never be able to reach the opposite point. Don't say like that, Spandana. Don't say this. Okay, don't say this. Okay, so what happens now is, if he wants to reach the opposite point, he can never reach the opposite point if he is moving in the upward direction. Endukante, sir, river is also moving, sir. So river also flows with him. River will take with him. River will take him with itself. So the motion will look something like this. He will get diverted. And the river will also push this guy, this idiot. Are you understanding? So what happens is, this extra distance he has to cover. E distance ante drift. A distance ni peru drift. So this will be the drift. Okay. Koncham ardham dostundi, sir. So let us try to visualize some more things. Okay. So I had this simulation, but let it be. It's not good time. Okay. The time is not good. Or you can say, sir, we don't have much time to do the simulation part. Okay. Choose kondira. If I'm telling you the width of the river is D, the width of this river is D. Point number one. Here is my person, boy, whatever you want to take. He can go with whatever speed he wants. Point number one. He can go with whatever speed he wants. But rendu scenarios unnai. First lo, he will have minimum time. And rendu lo, he will have minimum distance. So if he wants to go in minimum time, so he must simply put the efforts in the vertically upward direction, velocity of the person. River will definitely take him, okay, but river will definitely psychopath. If 1 into 1 is 1, then 2 into 2 is not 2, because your brain Okay, your brain. Okay, because of your brain ray. Hey, idiot, psychopath, because of your brain 2 into 2 is not 2. Are you understanding? Idiot, psychopath. Okay, one more spam you do, I will block you. Okay, one more spam and I will block you. Next, so what will happen, right? Ide na velocity of the river kada. Okay, this is the velocity of my river. Okay, so this is the velocity of the river ray. So what happens, sir, if I'm talking about minimum time, ante entira, your efforts, okay, your efforts ray, your effort should be in the vertically upward direction kada. Yes, your effort should also be vertically upward direction. Ante the drift will be there for minimum time. The drift will be there, ray. Okay, for minimum time the drift will be there. Ante you can simply say this will be my drift. Understanding? Cheppora, cheppo. You can break this motion in two different component. You can break this motion in two different components. What components, sir? Vertical component is Vp only. Horizontal component is Vr only. So, sir, we're not talking in vertical direction. Distance is d, speed is Vp. Distance is d, speed is Vp. Ante kada. So that means you can simply say, sir, distance is equals to speed into time. Oh, so ikkada nunchi you get the value of time is equals to d by velocity of the person. Point number 1. Ante kada. Point number 1. Okay, so time I got it. I got the time. Kani I want drift ray. Hey, ide time lo, in the same time it is covering horizontal distance also. Hey, sir, so you can simply say, sir, drift is equals to vertical speed ante horizontal speed. Horizontal speed ante Vr. Horizontal speed ante Vr multiplied by time ra. Horizontal speed Vr is Vr into time. How much ra? Time is distance d ray divided by Vp. Hey, this is not d ray. Hey, you get confused ray. This is not d, it is drift ray. It is drift ray. It is d dash ray. Okay, it is d dash, or you can simply say d1. It is d. Ide na distance d ra. Okay, so sir, d into Vr by Vp is my drift. Point number 1 ra. Andarki ardham cheskondi. Point number 1. Okay, point number 1. Next, ray, you can simply say, or for the second case, shortest path ra. Okay, shortest path ante enti, sir? Ante this guy does not want to take the long cut. He wants to take the shortcut ra. Does not matter if time is much or time is less. The only thing he is concerned is he only needs to take a shortcut ra. Okay, so ide na distance d kada. So this is my distance d ray. Andarki ardham cheskondi. So this is my distance d ray. So he is very smart now. So what he is doing, he is telling the river is taking me in the right side. The river is taking me in the right side. So the river is taking me in the right side. Okay, so this is the velocity of the river kada. So what he is doing now ippudu he will do one thing, he will take a smart move. He will not move something like this. Okay, instead of moving straight, what he will do is he will move something like this. Oh, nice. Ante he is moving something like this. Ide velocity of the person ray. Okay, velocity of the person. So you can break it down, sir. Can we break it down into components? Yes. Yeah, Nandini, cheppo. Hi, andariki hi. So you can break the speed into components ra. Ide angle ni theta piluste, this will automatically become two components. This will become Vp into cos theta, point number 1 ray. And this will become Vp into sin theta, point number 2, ante kada. So sir, if he does not want to go back or forth. Hi Bharata Veda. Hi. So if he does not want to go back and forth, the speed of the river that is taking in the right side must be equal to the speed of the man that is in the left side. Ante, sir, Vp into sin theta should be equals to velocity of the river. Oh, good. So, ekkadi nunchi, sir, sin theta is also equals to velocity of the river by velocity of the person. Oh. This is the first result I got wrong. It's okay. Nandini, it's okay. Okay. Hey, I only got, angry. So that guy, I don't know this, what his name is, psychopath. He is telling, sir, if 1 into 1 is 1, why not 2 into 2 is 2? Okay. What should I say? Huh? Sometimes I am happy, and sometimes, I'm like too. Chalo. Oh, what were we talking? Ekkadi nunchi sin theta value ochindi kada? Okay, sir. Sir, time re. Distance, vertical distance is equals to vertical speed into time. Vertical distance is d is equals to vertical speed enti ra Vp into cos theta multiplied by time is t kada? Yes. So from here you can simply say, sir, time is equals to distance re, not drift re, distance divided by Vp into cos theta. Ante kada? So time is equals to distance divided by Vp into, sir, na daggara sin theta ki value untundi, kani I don't have the value of cos theta. Find cheyochu kada? Good. You can simply say, sir, cos theta is equals to root of 1 minus sin square theta. Ante kada? So root of 1 minus sin square ante Vr by Vp whole square. Okay, so it is equals to root of Chappandira Vp square minus Vr square divided by Vp square. Vp ante velocity of person, speed of person in still water. Okay, Vr ante velocity of river, not rain. Okay, river. Okay, Nandini, sure. Okay, so you shift it, you substitute it there only, Chappandi. So d divided by root of Vp square minus Vr square divided by Vp only. Okay, so ide Vp gone. So you get time is equals to d divided by a root of Vp square minus Vr square. Ante kada? Are you understanding? So if you want maximum time ante entira? If you want maximum time, sir, so this is the expression for the time kada? So t is equals to, chappandi andariki, I actually explained you. Time is equals to d divided by a root of velocity of person whole square minus velocity of river whole square. Ante kada? So this was coming as time. So sir, if I want to cover this in minimum time ante entira? Minimum time ante denominator should be maximum, then and only then everything becomes minimum kada? So this should become maximum ante, sir, root of Vp square minus Vr square should be maximum. Ippudu maximum aitadira. It will only become maximum when this becomes 0. Ante kada? So that means time should be equals to distance divided by speed of the person. So this is the minimum time. Andariki observe cheskondi. Minimum time at which the person can reach. Kani deetlo you will get a drift. What is the drift? Drift is this much. So you can simply say minimum time is this. Kani you get a drift rate. Drift is equals to chappani andariki. So d ante vertical distance multiplied by velocity of river divided by velocity of the person. Ante. So this is all about the river boat problems. Okay. Are you saying something? Chalo. So now, hey, now, I had a drift tree. Send, I had done. Okay, this is the question. A man swims across a river. Speed of the river, sir, speed of the river is 6 meter per second. Ante kada? Speed of the man in still water is 8 meter per second. Cheppo babu, cheppo. Find the drift in the position. So naku drift kavali re. No, Parimal, I was not talking only. Okay. So come here and let us talk about it. Okay, cheppandira. So sir, if this is 6 meter per second, it is 8 meter per second. Drift, direct formula, cheppandi. Direct formula, drift. You remember the formula or you want to do it by this way? Hey, choose kondira. Initially calculate the time. Let us say this distance is d. Ante kada? Let us say this distance is d. Time is what, sir? Time is distance by speed. So sir, d by 8 is equals to time. Ide time lo, did I give you width of the river? I did not give you the width of the river kada. Take the question, okay? Width of a river is equals to 40 meters. This should be the extra information given. Ante kada? So time should be d by 8 ra. D by 8 ante 40 divided by 8. That means 5 seconds it will take to move up. At the same time it is moving in the right side also kada. So it will be drift is equals to drift is equals to horizontal speed into time 6 into 5 ante 30. Or else leda you directly take this formula. Drift is what? Sir, d into vr by vp ante kada. Yes sir, drift is equals to width of the river d into velocity of the river divided by velocity of the person. Hey, what is the depth width of the river, sir? 40 into river ki velocity chappo 6 divided by person ki velocity 8 5s are 40 ante 5 into 6 ekkada kuda you are getting same 30 meters of drift. Ardhamaindi kada? Yes. Next. Are gone? Here. It has been asked, okay? It has actually been asked. So, your entire PYQ has been completed, okay? In this relative motion, good, very good, Jyoshna, very good, okay? Your entire PYQs in Kinematics 2D, I can say that it will be completed. Okay? We have one more lecture, 2 more lectures. Deedlo, I will cover all the PYQs from your Kinematics 2D. Okay, motion in a plane ra. Okay, so now let us see this question andariki. The speed of a swimmer in still water is 20 meters per second. So it is my river. Okay, so the speed of the river, not river, the person in still water ante telusa. That means the person when it is moving in still water, vertical speed, how much ra? Enta 20 meters per second. Good sir, good. The speed of the river water is 10 meters per second. Kani ippudu speed of the river, hey, 10 meters per second. So flowing due east and the right side only. East and the right side. Ante kada? If he is standing on the south bank ante ide. And he wants to reach the north bank. Ante kada? Cross the river along the shortest path. The angle which he should make with the north. Andariki ardham cheskondi. He is trying to calculate the angle. Shortest path ante telusa kada. So if you are talking about this angle with the north ante theta gurinchi maatladte, he wants the shortest path ante he will have to take something like this. River will flow him to the right side. The result will be something like that. He is moving only along the line ra. So angle gurinchi cheppandi andariki. I told you kada. I directly gave you the formula re. What formula did I give you re? Here. Here. Hey, sin theta. I directly gave you formula. Cheppandi. VR by VP ante kada. So I directly gave you formula, sir. Sir, sin theta is equals to VR divided by VP. VR ante speed of river ante 10 divided by speed of person ante 20. Finished. Half. Sin theta is half ray. Sin theta is half and there it will automatically become 30 degree. You don't even have to see the west or east or something. 30 degree is the only angle. Ante kada. You can solve this question. You can solve this question only by looking at the formula. It will hardly take you around 10 to 15 seconds of time. Good, very good, Joshna, very good, very good. So now, let me just give you a few more questions, Ray. Okay, so let me just quickly revise till this point whatever we discussed. Formula list, Ra. Okay, formula list. Number one, sir. నా దగ్గర ఒక projectile ఉంటే u speed angle theta ante kada, so it will go up and it will hit the ground. So this horizontal distance will be called as range of the projectile and this will be called as the maximum height ante kada. Arey this arey that guy psychopath got hurt, Ray. Okay, I'm not feeling well for him. Okay, if you're listening to me, psychopath, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so let us talk about this horizontal range, Ray. So distance is equals to చెప్పండి అందరికి, range is u square sin of 2 theta divided by g. Point number 1. Point number 1. Point number 2, maximum height చెప్పండి అందరికి, height is u square sin square theta divided by 2g. And point number 3 రా, టైం గురించి మాట్లాడు చెప్పండి. So 2u into sin theta divided by g. అంతే కదా? Good. Hey, give me 2 minutes, okay? I'm just having a call. Okay, everybody okay. So the first thing is this projectile kada. So it is about a normal projectile ray. Okay, so a normal projectile unte a projectile ki range, height and time formulas ide. Next let us talk about the horizontal projectile. Dan tarvata we just discussed about horizontal projectile kada. Yes. So okay, horizontal projectile ante you are throwing something from a building ray. Okay, from a high building. Okay, from a height of a building. So let us say height is h ra. So ekkada nunchi if you are throwing something with a speed u ra, tell me range is how much re? Sir, u into root of 2 into h divided by g. Point number 1. Point number 2 re, total time is root of 2h divided by g, and total speed re, speed with which it will fall is equals to root of u square plus 2gh. Ante kada, v square is equals to u square plus 2gh. I hope you are able to understand this. Okay, v square is equals to u square plus 2gh, 2as or 2gh, whatever you want, you can call it. Okay, next. Okay, next sir, next we talked about what, right? Talked about relative motion. Okay, relative speeds or relative motion, yedaina a relative motion. Deedlo I told you that velocity of a with respect to b is equals to velocity of a with respect to c minus velocity of b with respect to c. Ante kada? Good. Very good, students. Very good. Next. Okay. Yes, I'll come to that also, right? Okay. Okay, so next relative motion tarvata we talked about rain umbrella problems. Ante kada? Yes, we talked about rain umbrella problems. Rain umbrella problems lo, did I tell you that angle theta is equals to tan inverse of cheppandi andariki velocity of person divided by velocity of rain, ante kada? So if this is rain or velocity of rain with respect to person ra, and if this is velocity of person and this is the velocity of rain, ante kada? Yes, so velocity of person by velocity of rain. So you can simply say velocity of rain with respect to person is equals to root of velocity of rain whole square plus velocity of person whole square. We solved some questions based on that. Dan tarvata we jumped to the riverboat problems. Riverboat problems lo, we did have some discussions, ante kada? So if this is a river, chuskondi, if this is a river, the width of the river is d, ante kada? So I have two different cases. Case 1 ra, case 1 chusko. Case 1 lo, I want to cover along shortest distance re. Hey, shortest distance, if you have to cover along the shortest distance, then in that case, if your vertical is something like this and your speed is something like this, you have to take some angle ra, ante kada? Velocity of the person. Velocity of the person re babu. Hey babu, teeskondi ra. Hey, velocity of the person, velocity of the rain, ante kada? So sir, in that scenario, you don't get any drift. Point number 1, drift is 0 re. Hey, drift is equals to 0. Kani, point number 2, time is equals to d divided by root of velocity of person square minus velocity of river square. Ante kada? It is case number 1 ra, chuskondi. So in that case or in that scenario, the person must take an opposite way, something like this. Okay, so you can simply say Vp do have two components. Point number 1 ra, chuskondi. Number 1 is this one, Vp sin theta, point number 1, and second component is Vp into cos theta. Ante kada? To move along the shortest time, Vp into sin theta should be equals to velocity of river. Endukante river right lo and Vp sin theta left lo. They must be balanced. Ante the person should not move anywhere in the horizontal. So Vp sin theta should be equals to r Vr, and from here you get two results. Second case lo, chuskondi andariki. So second case lo, you can simply say case 2 and you go there in shortest time re. Hey, shortest time ante enti ra? Shortest time ante you let yourself go in a straight way, something like this. So you are moving in this speed v, velocity of the person. Kani, the river is actually taking you, velocity of river ekkada undi kada. So the river is actually taking you somewhere here. Ekkada drift ostundi. Hey, drift is there. Cheppandi. Point number 1. You take from this formula only, re. Time is equals to, cheppandi andariki. So sir, time is equals to d divided by root of velocity of person whole square minus velocity of river whole square. Ante kada. So for shortest time, re. Okay, for shortest time, cheppandi andariki, for shortest time, you simply say Vr should be equals to 0. Ante shortest time will be d divided by velocity of person. Kani deetlo you get a drift ray. Hey, you get a drift. Cheppandi. Drift is equals to width of the river multiplied by velocity of the river divided by velocity of the person. Ante kada. Width of the river into velocity of the river divided by velocity of the person. Good. Okay, done. Yes. Joshna. So till this point everything is finished. Tomorrow's class we will talk about circular motion. Now remember, circular motion nunchi you have at least 60 to 70%. Yeah. Joshna, it will be completed, don't worry. Okay. Even if you talk about Jan end, I will complete the syllabus. Okay. Jan end or February end. Mostly by Feb end we will be done. March nunchi we will start revising, okay? Cheppandi andariki. So, circular motion will be completed. So, if you don't have any doubt, I think you do have some array. You do have some surprise. I don't know what the surprise is. Okay. But you do have it. Okay, bye. So I think if we don't have any doubts, then Venkatesh Yadav, hi, hello. Then I think we don't have any problem in ending this session, okay? Okay, bye. Sure. So can we finish the session, Ra? Bye, all of you, bye. Bye, especially bye. Recall what, Nandini? What? Yeah. Good night. Arey baap re. Okay. Rain Man problem, Nandini, it's actually not required, okay? It's not there. I have seen the PYQs of last 10 years. I could not find a single PYQ from Rain Man problem, okay? Not a single problem from Rain Man problem, Rain Man concept. Okay, everybody. So I think we should say goodbye. So take care, andariki. Good night, bye, 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 bye.